Don't fry any more eggs. Do it this way next time. In one bowl, add 4 eggs. Then divide the yolk and put them in another bowl. We'll use 4 egg yolks. Add a pinch of salt. Beat egg yolks well. Tell me how you fry eggs at home. I'd love to know your recipe. Add some spring greens to egg whites. Add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Mix it well. Take mozzarella cheese and cut some slices. Slice 1 tomato too. In a pan, add butter. Spread it well with a brush. Add the yolks. Put the mozzarella like that. Put tomato slices on top. Add some basil. And fold the yolk like this. This way covering all the cheese. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching this from, so I can send you a special hug. Now pour egg white inside the pan. I'm happy to hear you're loving my recipes. And continue folding, layering one part with the other like this. Now pour the other part of egg white. And fold one more time. Now pour the remaining egg white and fold it last time. Once this is done, just remove from the heat. And there you have it. A delicious and easy egg recipe, perfect for any meal of the day. Whether you're enjoying it for breakfast, brunch, or a quick dinner, these eggs are sure to satisfy.